Feeling lost? Good. It means you're awake, paying attention, and ready for change. We're told we should have life all figured out, but the truth is, nobody really does. The ones who look like they do, they're moving, making small choices, adjusting as they go. The real mistake? Standing still. Life isn't a straight road, it's a choose-your-own adventure. There's no single right path. You find it by moving forward. So ask yourself, what excites me right now? What's one small action I can take today? If I wasn't afraid to fail, what would I do next? Your core values are your GPS. Open up the Notes app on your phone and write down 5 things that actually matter to you. Then, start aligning your life to them. Most people feel lost because they're walking in the wrong direction. Your inner compass, it's already there. You just need to listen. And here's the reality. You can't think your way into clarity. You have to act. So here's a challenge. Do one thing today that shakes you out of the fog. Something new, something uncomfortable. Because big change, it builds like a sunrise, not a lightning strike. Small steps compound over time. So what's one step that feels like progress? Write it down. Do it within 24 hours. Your inner voice knows more than you think. If an idea keeps coming back, pay attention. If something excites and terrifies you at the same time, that's a sign. Finding direction isn't about uncovering some magic purpose. It's about creating a life that feels right. So let's recap. You're feeling lost? Remember, that's a good thing. It means you're ready for change. Stop chasing the right path. Define your core values instead. And finally, take small, bold steps outside your comfort zone. Don't forget to drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Ready to find your path? Let's map this out together. Head over to joshdolan.com to book a free consultation. And don't forget, live with purpose, love with passion, and keep pushing forward.